So a lot of airports depend actually on non-aero revenue. It is auto helps reducing the subsidies. Now, especially for NMEAL's perspective, what we have planned is to get passengers to product rather than product to passengers. What it means is that for our entire strategy, we have kept in mind who is going to be our passenger, what are his needs gaps, and how we are going to fulfill those needs gaps. Once it is done, automatically it will have a satisfied passenger, which will ultimately lead to enhancement of revenues. So, airport should be looked at as if it's a shopping mall rather than a stressful environment where passenger is not able to grasp things, rather he's just or she's just passing by. So we want to change all of that. Therefore, based on our studies, what we found that passengers in the beginning, right after the security check, where he or she has the maximum stress level, because she doesn't know what kind of things will come out of her bag, whether she'll be allowed to travel on the onward journey or not. And shopping is absolutely opposite to that. The lesser stress level you have, the more prone you will be for the shopping part. Therefore, immediately after security check, we have kept a space which we call immersive experiential zone. The idea of that space is to slow down the passengers and at the same time to reduce their stress level. How the stress level gets reduced? The stress level gets reduced when people find it familiar things around them. So what we are going to show them would be the rich culture, heritage of Mumbai. The streets of Mumbai like Kala Ghoda, your Pedder Road, the iconic spaces in and around of Mumbai, which will ultimately bring their stress level down. So I'll quickly take you through 3-4 interventions which we have tried to do in Navi Mumbai, which will set us apart from rest of the airports. First, since it's a greenfield project, as you mentioned, we had the liberty to very properly design the passenger flow. So it's a single floor airport with unidirectional passenger flow. That means passengers will not get lost and they know where they are going to visit. Number two, the design of the outlets are kept in such a way that even if you are standing at a distance, you will know what is coming in front of you 50 meters, 100 meters ahead of you. Third, what we have done is we have not adopted a cookie cutter approach. What I meant is, a lot of airports you will find all the brands, international QSR brands like Subway, McDonald's, KFCs, PhDs of the world. But at Navi Mumbai, you will not find any of these. In that place, we are creating a food hall. Now, food hall will have street foods of India from Kashmir to Kanyakumari developed by renowned chefs. What we need to control is the quality and cost to make it successful. Third, we have also kept provisions to speak about sense of place, like what I mentioned in my presentation. Also, a space we fondly call it Bombay Bond. Now, Bombay Bond will house very iconic but deep-rooted brands who have origins from Mumbai, so that people can correlate. Number two, the statistics shows that 40% of passengers going to be from Mumbai, but rest 60% are going to be from different parts of India. So they will also have an opportunity to feel, taste and experience Mumbai in a short span of time.